Hi children, this is our fifth unit, Alauddin and the Magic Lamp. You know the story about the Alauddin, children? Yes or no? Yes. In that Alauddin, one genie will be there. They will create a magic, that all. Yes children, that only the lesson, Alauddin and the Magic Lamp. So going to the lesson, let's read the story of Alauddin and the Magic Lamp. In this, some characters are there, ma. What are that characters? Alauddin. He is a Alauddin. He is a young tailor. So you know, Alauddin means one boy. Zarina. Who is she? She is a Alauddin mother. Okay. And last one, Mustafa. He is the uncle of the Alauddin. So if these three characters now will read in the lesson. The three members, they are talking with each other. That is the story, ma. Okay. I am reading this all lesson. Just you understand, children. The genie, a magic spirit inside a lamp that above is master. Genie means in the lamp, whoever the magic man is there, genie, whatever we say, he will do that work. So Aladdin is a handsome young man. He is sitting and swimming clothes. His mother is cooking the dinner in a corner of the room. So Alauddin is a tailor. He is a tailor. He is stitching some clothes, and his mother is cooking food. She is sitting in one corner and she is preparing the food. Now we are going to the characters. Alauddin, what's for dinner, mom? So Alauddin is asking to his mother, what is dinner now? Zarina, the mother is saying that roti and vegetables. So you know very well, roti means daily you will eat the chapati breakfast and you will come to the school. Vegetable means different types of vegetables. Alauddin, I am hungry, mom. I have worked all day. I cannot, make something else. So Alauddin saying that I am very hungry, mom. Can you prepare something to me? So Zarina, she is saying that, look son, the money box is empty. We cannot buy anything else. So whatever the money bank, you have kitty banks, no ma? So that Alauddin also, mother, she have one box like this with steel color box. It will be, in that she will keep the money. So when she want to use that money, she will take the money from that box and she will use that. Zarina, what's that sound? Noise. Who has come so late? Go and look, Alauddin. So somebody came and they knocked the door. What is that sound? Alauddin, go and just look out. Who is there? Alauddin, who are you? So one man has came there and the Alauddin asking that, who are you? Mustafa. So another character came. Just now we talking about these two characters only. Now one more, Mustafa. I said no, who is that Mustafa? Alauddin uncle. So he came now. Mustafa, is this the house of Zarina and Alauddin the tailor? So he is asking that it is the house of the Zarina and Alauddin. Zarina, it is. Please come inside. So she said that yes, this is my house only. Just you come inside. How do you know my name? So Zarina, she is asking to Mustafa that how you know my name. I do not know you. So she is saying that I don't know your name. Mustafa, Zarina, do not you remember you own brother? So he said that I am your own brother. I am Mustafa. So later he said his name, I am Mustafa. Zarina, Mustafa, I cannot believe it. Oh, I am very happy. Sit down, dear brother, and eat with us. So Alauddin is going to start his dinner, Noma. So he said that I can't believe it that we both are eating, sit down and eating together. I'm very happy, brother. He said, Alauddin, you are welcome to our home, uncle. Zarina brings food. So Alauddin said that we are very happy that you came to our home, uncle. Mustafa, Alauddin, I need your help. I am an old man. So that Mustafa is an old man. He is saying to the Alauddin that I need your help. Tomorrow I must take out some of the trust tube which I have had in a secret place. Trust tube. What is the trust tube, ma? Trust tube means very valuable. Treasure means very valuable things. Very valuable things means what, ma? Very valuable things means like gold, metals, silvers, that all. In the magic they will do this all things only. So later I will explain you that in the lesson. In the secret place the uncle has kept that all gold and silver. You are young and brave. We will fit it for you. I will make you rich if you will help me. Fit means what, ma? It means to go to another place. Fetch means what? To go to another place. So what is that Mustafa he said to this Alauddin that tomorrow we have to go to one secret place, he said. So what is there in that secret place we will see now. Alauddin, of course uncle, I will help you and fetch to your trust. Mustafa, go to bed now. We must leave early in the morning. So that Mustafa uncle is saying that to Alauddin, we will go to tomorrow in the early in the morning. Mustafa and Alauddin in front of a cave. Cave means what, ma? What we will say it. It will be in Mustafa, Alauddin you must go in and look for an old lamp. When you find it, give it to me and then you can take anything you want from the cave. Cave means ma, in the lions they will live in the den, no? Inside the, under the ground, inside it will be full dark, in no lights at all there. That is called as a cave. So in that the uncle is saying to the Alauddin that you have to go inside. In that you will find out a old lamp. You will find out that old lamp. You have to give it to me, that lamp, and whatever the things there you will find out, you take. Whatever you want to take, you take. Alauddin, I will do what you say, uncle. Alauddin, it's very dark in here, but what's that shining over there? Rubs his eyes. So what happened? He is going on inside, it is very dark in that, and suddenly he find out one side very shining something. So rubs his eyes means like this. If any dust is found in your eyes means what you will do? You will rub. Suddenly the lights on also, you will close your eyes. So he also did like that only. I cannot believe it. The cave is full of the jewelries. We are rich, hip hip. So he said, he find out many jewelries there. Just now I said, no ma, what is that? Very valuable things. So he find out there many gold jewelries, whatever stones are there, he find, and he said that now I became very rich, hip hip, hooray, he said. What shall I take from here? And he is going on thinking that now what should I take from here? Mustafa, hurry Alauddin, it will soon be morning, give me the lamp. So back of the Alauddin, the Mustafa is shouting that Alauddin, hurry up, give me that lamp. It's becoming very morning now. Next, Alauddin, lamp, which lamp? This jewelry gives me more light than any lamp. So he is shocked seeing that all lighting jewelries, he is not at all finding any lamp. So he is saying to that uncle that lamp, which lamp? I am not unable to see any lamp here with the light and full of more lighting. Mustafa, Alauddin, bring the lamp and I will push you. I will shoot you in the cave. So he is saying that if you not give me that lamp, I will push you in that cave and I will shoot you also in the cave only. Alauddin, to himself, there is the lamp under the rock. It's very old and dirty. So under the rock. Under the rock means, what is the rock means, ma? What is the rock, ma? Rock means stones. So under the ground many stones you will find if you make it that. So he said that it is very old and very dirty. Why does he want it? So is that thinking that Alauddin, why that uncle is asking that lamp? He comes back to the mouth of the cave. Mustafa, where is my lamp? So he is asking that. Mustafa, where is my lamp? Is asking to the Alauddin. Alauddin, why do we need an old lamp when we have all these jewelers? So he is saying that why you need this old lamp only? We have here more jewelries. You take these jewelries. Why you need this old lamp? He is asking the question to the Mustafa. Mustafa, then stay in the cave. He is closing the mouth of the cave. So he is closing that mouth of the cave. Alauddin, I cannot get out. Help, uncle. Why have you shoot me in? Let me out, please. He has left me here to die. Nobody can hear me. If I light that old lamp, I may find a way out. I will clean it first. So what is doing that? He is closed that cave the mouth and Alauddin is inside on the cave only and is shouting, uncle, help me, help me. Why you kept here only? If I am left there, I will die also. There is no light at all, nothing. And he is thinking that, okay, if the lamp is very dirty, just I will clean it. So he is catching the lamp in his hand and is going to clean like this. He is rubbing to the lamp. So what happened? Takes the lamp and rub it on its spirit. A genie appear. So what happened? So what is the lamp is there? He catched and he is rubbing. Suddenly in that genie came to the outside. So now next is the genie turn to talk in the character. I am the servant of the lamp. So who will be catch that lamp? So for them he is the servant. So whatever we say to the genie, he will do that work. My home is in the lamp and the man who own the lamp own me. What do you want to me do it? Now the genie is asking to that. Now my lamp is in your hand. That is my home. So you are catching and rubbing it. So I am your servant. What you want to do, say to me. Alauddin, I dreaming, is this magic? Please take me home along with all this jewelry. So that Alauddin asking to the genie that it's a dream, magic. Let me take this all jewelries and to my home. Genie, oh, off to your house. Alauddin reach home. Zarina, Alauddin, what's happened? So at last they reach their home and the mother, who is that mother? Zarina, she is asking that, Alauddin, what happened? Alauddin tells his mother about everything what happened there. So what happened there? They went to the cave, whatever the lights, jewelries they found at last the Mustafa uncle, he went away. They closed the door and he find with the help of genie, Alauddin become very rich. He and his mother lived happily. So what happened? At last he find more jewelry with the help of the genie. They came to their house and they became very happy and they become very rich. So this is the story of the Alauddin and the magic lamp. So I know before you know this lesson, children, I know this lesson. I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you.